Alright, but guys, I'm back with another unboxing, but look at me. I finished stickering this one. It's pretty easy. See the eyes right there, but yeah, that's where it's supposed to go. The mouth is supposed to be opened. I'm not going to show you the features, though. You already know that. I'll move that aside. Now I'm going to unbox this. Is it Poison Zuaffa S130MB. S is for shield and MB is for metal ball. So right here. If you want to know what the shield track is for J Jupiter, it's for 3 stars. Powerful defense one alone. No stamina in it. Metal ball is for the exact same stats as with white defense and ball. So there's nothing special about it. Currently we have the metal flat, metal ball, and metal sharp. So let's open this thing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna open it from here because it's already damaged already, but I don't care because I didn't do it. It was some other stupid kid who did it. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, I got its contents out of its packet, out of the plastic. Purple ripcord, pure purple. What's dark? And a gravity destroyer light launcher. Let me get the whitish purple. Looks lavender to me. Yeah, it's lavender. Instructions. Who cares about the instructions? And yeah, these are the only stickers for Poison Zuaffa. I'll make sticker right in front of you, so you won't be so bored. And the sticker says Beyblade on it, which is cool. Now let's unbox this. Unbox this bad boy open. Okay, no problem. Oh, here's the Babe code. For codes. I'll just put that aside. Actually, the Facebook did not fall off. Okay, as you can see down here, here's the Facebook. Same thing as Poison Zuaffa. Same thing as Zuaffa's, but it's a golden print on it. That's weird. Translucent white. Translucent Zuaffa with black flames on it. Cool. This poison wheel, it's kind of heavy when it's painted, but it doesn't matter about the sizing or anything. One fun fact about this Beyblade, you could get it from the Cyber Aquarium with Counter Scorpio. And I got
take a quick trip down to the office and
I think so.
Sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Okay.
How's my dad? He returned from the trip. Sorry about that unboxing. Sorry for the interruption. And the metal ball 2 out of this one. So currently the heaviest performance tip. So this is Poison Zuaffa. All that I may do stickering later, but no, I'm testing it out right here. Impressive Beyblade. It's going out of this stay tuned for the Starbreaker Team Starbreaker set, and I'll see you guys later.